In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Australia Post employee account online. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Australia Post website. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct official site before entering any login information. This is always a good habit whenever you're accessing an employee or workplace account online. When you're on the Australia Post page, look over to the right-hand side of the screen and find the Our Post dashboard option. Click on it to continue. On the next screen, click on Our Post dashboard again if prompted. This will take you to the sign-in page used to access the employee portal. Now you'll see a Microsoft sign-in screen. Here, enter your work email, phone number, or Skype ID associated with your employee account. Make sure you type it carefully, since even a small typo can prevent the login process from working properly. After entering your details, click Next to move forward. On the following screen, choose the option to get a code to sign in. This is part of the verification process and helps confirm that you're the authorized user of the account. Once that option appears, click Send Code. After you do that, the system will send a verification code to your email inbox. Next, go to your email and look for the message containing the code. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment to arrive, and be sure to check your spam, junk, or clutter folder just in case it was filtered there. Open the email, find the verification code, and keep that code ready. Then return to the sign-in page and enter the code exactly as shown in the email. Take your time here, because these codes are usually case-sensitive or time-sensitive, and entering the wrong one may require you to request a new code. After entering the code, proceed with the next prompt on the screen. Depending on your account settings, this may simply confirm your sign-in or ask you to continue through one final approval screen. Follow the prompt to finish logging in, and that should bring you into your Australia Post employee account. And that's it. You've successfully signed in to the Australia Post employee portal online. If you have trouble at any point, double check that you entered the correct email or sign-in method and make sure you're using the latest code sent to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.